3 furlongs or so. So still out in front, Bluey, setting nice fractions here, but Jubilee Alpha, the odds-on favourite. Harry Cobden stalking in second. Chrisma, though, seems to be travelling very strongly in that hood in the JP McManus green and gold. Has got Katira de Mestreval off the bridle, trying to maintain her position. She's passed now by Shia Gal and by Barrabull, that one. And as they move round towards the home straight now, they've got 2 more flights left to take inside the final 2.5 furlongs here. Out in front still is Bluey. Jubilee Alpha has been switched to the near side and comes there very strongly. Up the far side is Chrisma. Here's the second last, and Bluey clinging to the advantage. Now the others are being ridden along. Jubilee Alpha on the near side, Chrisma right behind them. Down towards the final flight they come. Bluey and Jubilee Alpha. Jubilee Alpha for the first time strikes the front. Bluey keeping at it though, keeping her honest over on the far side. They clear then from Chrisma and then Shia Gal. Jubilee Alpha being ridden out towards the line by the champion jockey, and Jubilee Alpha lands the odds and wins the Fitzdares Mares Novices Hurdle. Bluey a good second. Chrisma and Shia Gal third and fourth, and they were clear.
Or Red, the first one to get into the tray. Second ball. We go Orange 31, Orange 31. That popped out tea time yesterday, did Orange 31 out again today. Third ball is number 21, and that's a blue ball. 21 blue, third one into the tray. 4 more to come. First of which is number 6, purple. 6, purple. Next ball is number 2, and that's a red ball. 2 red. Final regulation ball is number 27, and that's a purple ball. 27 purple. Dos Hermanos going behind. Dorman going behind. Your booster ball is number 46, and that's a yellow ball. 46 yellow. So let's return to the studio and hear more from Gina.
Those are your lucky numbers this Sunday lunchtime, and we kick things off with ball number 44, followed by second time on the trot for 31, 21, 6, 2, 27 and 46 on the end there. If you did score a win, lucky you. Let us know over on our social pages at 49 Straw, and don't forget to join Kirsty for the tea time.